So I wasn't actually going to film anything today. I guess just a bit of a standard day. I'm starting to get ill. She is proper ill, bless her. She can hardly talk. But once you see what we've got in this pan, it will warrant filming, because I haven't eaten this in months. I haven't eaten real this in months. Look what we got sizzling in the pan, bro. Oh, some proper bacon. Now Asia's funny, right? Because it's like, I don't know, I've tried to look for bacon and all you can find in the shops is like, I'll get it. All you can find in the shops is, it's alright, darling. All you can find is like smoked meats, you know, ready to buy. But she's got smoked streaky bacon right there. She's only put 3 bits in, so I'm gonna grab an extra bit just for me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, listen to that. Fuck, if you could smell this right now. She's never had a bacon sandwich in her life. Just, you know, white bread, lathered with butter, bit of tomato ketchup, fuck loads of bacon in there, and just So at some point we're gonna give her that. They don't really have a lot of things with bread here. Okay, this bacon is just about done. Hers. Look at that. Ooh, it's like sex in a bowl. Time for an actual catwalk. Look at all these new clothes for Xiao Xiao, bless him.
我们有卖是卖大那种人盖的，但是有些人也会拿去盖动物啊。但是我们经常都是卖给人盖。
Do you know what a catwalk is?
动物的是有，但是是等于大片哦，会变成大片要折。
He's going to do a catwalk with all the a literal catwalk.
Like the last time I went out, okay, actually this is gossip. The last time I went out, I know you can't put this on YouTube though, man.
Oh, gossip incoming that I can't put on YouTube. I'm on the phone to me best mate. Look at him, miss him. Oh, all right, that's it. Wow, look at all them birds up on that lamppost there, on them power lines. Wow. Right, well, there was no filming of stretches because I was just on the phone for almost 2 hours with one of my best mates, Tom. Fucking what a legend. And I know he's going to watch this at some point, so I fucking love the shit out of you, Tom. You're one of the realest fucking men I know, and I'm so happy to call you my brother. So happy to call you my brother. Oh mate, everyone needs a fucking mate like Tom, I tell you now. Everyone needs a mate like Tom. Fucking love you, brother. You're the best. Oh yeah, we're going for dinner. I need to like take this out of frame. Her drink. 1 second. Oh. My drink. Oh, that looks. They didn't even give me a straw. I'm meant to lift that up and oh, I don't have a straw. That's good. Wow. Wow. So, I got the cordon bleu. The cordon bleu. Sorry, French people. And this is what it's looking like. Oh, look at that. Look at that mash as well. Mash with the gravy in the middle. Just how I would do it. Lovely, mate. That looks And the lady got a couple of side dishes. This is one of them. What's this one? Mala pork belly. Looks good. Right, let's try. Right, let's give this cordon bleu a try. Eh? Cheese doesn't look like cordon bleu cheese, but then again, I've only ever had one of these in my life. Pretty good. You know what we got to do next? Give a bit to the lady to try when the mouthful is over. Good. Oh, and I think they gave me the same mushroom. Mm-hmm. Nice. Oh, thank you very much. Hot, 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 hot. Lovely. Gosh, did they notice the camera and make the presentation of everything really good? Because everything looks really good. Look at that. Almost as beautiful as you. Nah, actually it's not close. Completed. Thanks, sugar mama. What a fucking great girl, man. Better than the last one. Better than all the last ones. She is the last one. We hope she's the last one. Yeah.
Run that. Look, run that.
Showing the girls some proper music culture now. Bit of Prodigy. She's absolutely loving it. Be my first ever, I think, Korean barbecue experience. So thank you. I will. Welcome. So they've just brought out these little things and all this here. What we got here? Kimchi. Beetroot.
Radish.
Yes, radish. Oh yeah. What's that? There. Some mushrooms, some mini fishes.
Instead of with the squid.
Oh, a squid is it? Nice. Oh wow, it's a salty little fish. You like that?
After we can mix with the meat.
Okay. Get that taste out of your mouth. Oh, this little thing. Huh? Oh, you mean the seed? The whole thing?
Maybe pumpkin.
Tastes like custard. You know custard? It's yellow, you have it on eggs. Hot. Gosh. Well, yet again, we've got a table full. Wow. Look at all this stuff. Right, so apparently you do it like this. Grab a bit of lettuce, bit of garlic, bit of that. Bit of the meat in there. Boy, bit of sauce. Which I really need something better to get with. I should have kept that little the little teaspoon. Then, you know what? We're gonna put some mushrooms in this one. Little mushies. Shove that in there. Get that guy. Shove him in there. We're gonna be naughty with a bit of kimchi in here. Don't tell my mum. Fold it together. Apparently, that's how they do it. Wow. Flavour explosion in my mouth. I'll give you that. That was a lot, man. Wow. Good shit though. And she's taking me on a date, so I don't have to pay. I don't normally do anyway, she's very good. Load of these guys.
You can buy the ticket on that. And the show is always talk about the Malacca history. So this building is called
Impression series. It's a pretty fancy building. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of like Skate 3, the video game. Oh, wow, grand building. So this is like a theatre. The musicals and stuff like that.
But it's
We're just about back. Bless her. I love it when she's sleeping. Not because she's not talking, but just she looks so beautiful, so at peace. I love her. I love you. And we're back. In what? Oi! Oi! Oi, buddy.